Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome back to studies. So students, today we are going to do the word meanings and the textbook exercises of poem The Roadside Locksmith, written by Chitra Padmanabhan. So do you remember the poem? Have you read the poem? No? Yes? Okay. So let's start. Let's begin with word meanings. As you can see here, word meaning, please note down and also learn. You just have to learn all these word meanings that will help you. So the first one is where. Think that someone is selling especially in the street or market. Okay? आप वीडियो को पॉज करके सारे वर्ड मीनिंग्स लिख लो and then you can learn. Where's, okay? Next, glares, to shine with strong light that hurts your eyes. Okay? Next, fret, unhappy about something. Despair, complete loss of hope. Locksmith, we all know, locksmith is a person who makes, fits and repairs locks. Next, pair, a set of two things used together. Heaped, pile up, or you can say dump. Rust, a reddish brown substance that forms on the surface of iron. ठीक है? Tilted, slanted. Blocks, a large heavy pieces of something, usually with flat sides. So students, I hope you will remember and learn these word meanings. So let's start with the question and answers. Understanding the poem. First, A part, the locksmith sits on the roadside with his wares. A tilted black umbrella blocks the sun glare. So the first question is, what are the wares of the locksmith? So answer is, you all know about it, locks and keys are the wares of the locksmith. ठीक है? Okay. What time of day is it when the locksmith is at work? How do you know? ठीक है? So you all know about it कि कौन से टाइम पर locksmith जो था वो काम कर रहा था. He was using an umbrella to protect him from the sun. So it was a daytime. So the answer is, it is a daytime as he keeps an umbrella to protect him from the sun. Okay? I repeat, it is a daytime. It's daytime as he keeps an umbrella to protect him from the sun. Okay. Next, second part, a mountain of master keys heaped on the ground. A part, why is the word mountain used to describe the keys? Answer, the keys form a large mound that looks like a mountain. I repeat, the keys form a large mound. Mound is M-O-U-N-D, mound that looks like a mountain. ठीक है? B part, why does the locksmith have keys heaped on the ground? The locksmith sits by the wayside or the roadside and sell keys to passerby. ठीक है? Locksmith sits by the roadside and sell keys to passerby. Okay. The third part, the locksmith has the answer to every locked door. What does the locksmith do? So the answer is, the locksmith makes new keys for locks. The locksmith makes new keys for locks. B part, how does he have an answer to every locked door? How does he have an answer to every locked door? He designs and makes keys that can fit into locks and open them. Okay, I repeat, he designs and makes keys that can fit into locks and open them. Okay, fourth part. Don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. You will find a friendly lock to complete the pair. A part. Why does the speaker say there is no reason to fret or despair? Answer. The locksmith can help anyone find any type of key or lock, so there is no need to fret or despair. Okay? B part. How can the locksmith help us if ever we are in need of help? The locksmith can help us find the right key or right lock. He can open any locked door. यहाँ full stop भी आएगा. Let me repeat. The locksmith can help us find the right key or right lock. Full stop. He can open any locked door. What is the C part? What is the pair that the speaker is referring to? Answer. The pair referred to is the lock and key. The pair referred to is the lock and key. Next, the B part, the speaker seems to mean that the locksmith occupies a lot of importance in our everyday life. Why do you think this is so? Okay, so the question, it's asking you what is the importance in a day-to-day life, what is the importance of locksmith. Okay, we need keys and locks to secure our homes and our wealth. Locks and keys ensure our safety. Full stop. The locksmith helps us to find a new key if we lose ours. This is why the locksmith is important in our life. So students, now let's do the appreciating the poem. In the poem, some words are repeated. Pick out the lines from the poem where this happens. Can you tell why repetition has been used in the poem? So students, इसके लिए आपको कोई आंसर लिखना नहीं है. You just have to understand. Don't worry, don't fret, don't be sad, don't despair. यहाँ आप देख रहे हो don't को 4 times यूज किया गया, repetition हो रहा है बार बार, है ना. जो राइटर है वो आपको बता रहा है कि आपको वरी करने की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई टेंशन लेने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको कुछ सैड होने की जरूरत नहीं है. तो यहाँ पे जो वर्ड है डोंट बार बार यूज हो रहा है, राइट. ये आपको पिक आउट कर लेना, आप देख सकते हो, ठीक है, अंडरलाइन कर लेना इसे. नाउ लास्ट वन इज वर्ड्स इन यूज. ठीक है, मैच द हाईलाइटेड वर्ड्स विद देयर करेक्ट सिनोनिम्स फ्रॉम द चॉइसेस गिवन. सेम मीनिंग दे रखे होंगे, आपको बताना है. ओके, आप इसको प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस एंड ऑल्सो लर्न. फर्स्ट वेयर्स. अब ये आपके पास ABC है. द राइट वन इज गुड्स. वेयर्स को आप गुड्स भी कहते हो, ठीक है. टिल्टेड. अब यहाँ पे ABC है, स्ट्रेटेंड, मूव्ड, स्लैंटेड. आपको डू यू रिमेम्बर, मैंने आपको वर्ड मीनिंग में कराया था, टिल्टेड मीन स्लैंटेड. ब्लॉक्स भी मैंने आपको कराया था. ब्लॉक्स को आप कह सकते हो स्टॉप्स. हीप्ड भी कराया था मैंने आपको, स्टैक्ड. एक के ऊपर एक हम रख देते हैं ना, चीज को कहते हैं स्टैक्ड. फ्रेट मीन्स वरी. ओके, सो दिस फिनिशेज योर वर्ड इन यूज. इसके बाद एक एक्टिविटी है, ये दैट इज योर होमवर्क. स्टूडेंट्स, प्लीज ट्राई टू डू दैट. Have you seen anyone else selling their goods like bangles, vegetables and so on by the roadside? Write a short paragraph on any one of them and say how they help us. So that is an activity for you. So students, it is your homework. Please write few lines. You can write 10 lines, 5 lines on any of your helpers, any of the helpers. Like you have seen vegetable seller, right? Locksmith or cobbler. Please write few lines because they are all helpers. So they help and they do the thing for us. Write few lines and then that's your homework. It's a kind of activity. So that's up to you. So students, we have done with the chapter. We have done with the question and answers, word meaning. I hope this will help you. Please learn the chapter, make your notes, and we'll meet in the next class. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye.